Salahuddin, rahimahullah, when the Crusaders took Quds, the narrations mention that they took babies from the arms of their mothers and they smashed their heads against the walls. They gathered the people in the masjid, and the Christian chroniclers mention that they slaughtered them until the blood of the Muslims came to their knees. All this was recorded in history. All this Salahuddin knew. And today he comes in as the conqueror. And he enters. And there's no revenge. And Stanley Lane Poole says that the Muslim leader showed the Christian the meaning of mercy. And then they came to the church where Isa alayhi salatu wasalam is assumed to be buried. And they said to Salahuddin, they said, "Oh Salahuddin, let's break this church down. We don't believe he's buried there. Let's break it down. And the war will finish." The longest war in history is the Battle of the Crusaders. 200 years it lasted. Just Christians, 6 million Christians died in the Crusades, and many more Muslims. They said, let's resolve the issue. Break it, game over. What did Salahuddin say? Salahuddin said, a man who was better than me took Quds and he did not break it, so I will not break it. Who was that man? That was Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. And Ibn Athir rahimahullah says, it is enough for the virtue of Salahuddin that history will remember his name with Umar ibn al-Khattab. Who will remember your name and my name? How will we be remembered? No Salahuddin is going to come